Hi, good morning. How are you today?
I'm fine, thank
Okay,
you.
now can you please tell me about your last job?
My last job before was waitress
Hmm.
in a Philippine company. It's called Max Restaurant. I worked there for how many months? Maybe 7 months. It's end of contract. I also work for a sales clerk in Philippines also. 4 months only. Then then before also receptionist. But now I'm trying to work as a nanny. I'm applying for you as a nanny of your child. I'm willing to learn and I know how to cook. I have two children, um, 2 years old and 7 months.
Okay, so basically your last job was in the Max restaurant.
Yes.
Yeah. So on that job, what were your duties and responsibilities? What do you do?
I'm the one checking the meals. I'm taking orders, and I'm cleaning the tables.
All right. So what's the reason again why you decided not to continue to work there?
I decide to not to work due to I want to go here to to find another job.
Okay. Now, since you're here in UAE, you're looking for a new opportunity, all right? So how much
Yes.
would be the minimum salary you would ask this time?
1,500.
Okay. And what do you like to do most? Is it cooking, cleaning, or babysitting?
Most ofly I like cooking and babysitting.
Okay. And what type of food can you cook?
Um, Most of all Filipino food, sinigang, adobo,
Hmm.
any Filipino food I know how to cook.
Okay, great. So a bit of knowledge about cleaning. What detergents or chemicals do you use to clean a toilet?
Domex, I know Domex, like that. Dettol.
All right, good. And now in babysitting, how do you try to get the baby to finish eating his or her food? Because sometimes kids don't want to finish their food. So what would be your tricks in order for them to finish it?
Um, I will tell him, oh, it's nice food, try it. Then I will sometimes play with him like, okay, open your mouth, the airplane's coming, like that.
Okay. And dear, what are your hobbies?
Watching television, playing badminton, playing sports, other sports like that.
Okay, great. And how long do you want to work here in UAE?
As long as I can work.
Great. And do you think you will be a good helper to your employer and why?
Yes, because I know I will help them on their jobs when they have work. I know I can take good care of their child. I will I will help them on their needs.
All right, very well said. I think that's all. Thank you so much for your time and have a nice day.